umjida la azikhona afuna ukuyisho about the Ever for Souls.
I support MFR no ngilmameli albums yakhala, please guys supportani.
What is up, Phoenix? My name is K-Boss K-Cuz, the K-City Cuz Chai. You know what time it is? Federi sanaweni and umjida la azikhona afuna ukuyisho about the Ever for Souls.
I support MFR no ngilmameli albums yakhala, please guys supportani. Sisonke siphakamisa Eastern, Western, siyanfrostana sisonke piano siliphakamiseni. Siyansupport abafethu. Awe nami ngikhona nyeza.
Uva.
Sefosto manje ngisendaweni.
Anyway, ngathi ziyakhipha lana.
Kodwa ziyakhipha la siphethe abonomi ikhulekani ye.
Hayibo.
Wozani nge-26 December la.
Yeah.
Injalo ngiyabana.
What do you like most about the album nabacela ukuyirelease?
No limnandi, zonke ingoma zakhona zamameleka.
Zamameleka.
Yebo, zamameleka.
Zamameleka, so azimnandi.
No, zimnandi zonke.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Favorite tracks on the album?
Hey, vala.
Hayibo.